Hi everybody, this is Sherri from Donnelly Ford in Mount Vernon. I have a beautiful little car for you to look at. This is a Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Come on, let's take a look inside.
So before we jump inside, I just want to show you how nice looking this vehicle is. It comes ready for your Sirius XM subscription. Only 38,405 miles. I also checked the Carfax. This is clean. One owner, no accidents, no damage reported. You have the safety feature on here of collision mitigation. You also have your lane assistance as well as a heated steering wheel. This car is absolutely beautiful inside. Black leather and very clean. Room for up to 3 passengers in the back seat. And your back seat also has vents, which helps tremendously with temperature control. Also, your back seats lay down flat, so if you need a little bit of extra room to haul something, you definitely have that with this car. Lots of room in the back, got your floor mats available, and this does have a spare tire for your convenience. Push button close on the tailgate for easy access. You can access the tailgate from inside the driver's door. You also have parking sensors all around this vehicle, as well as a backup camera, wireless phone charger, heated front seats, remote start, and a beautiful, enormous sunroof that goes almost the length of the vehicle. Blind spot monitoring in both the driver and passenger mirrors for your safety and convenience. Come take a look. This is Sherri at Donnelly Ford. We have this as well as many other vehicles in the lot. We're here to serve you Monday through Saturday. I'm on extension 3014. Let me know when you'd like to come out for a test drive. Have a great day.